हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड स्टँडर्ड 5th EVS चॅप्टर नंबर 22 ग्रोथ अँड पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स. क्वेश्चन 1, व्हॉट्स द सोल्युशन? त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट, कबीर वॉन्ट्स टू बी अ प्रोफेसर ऑफ झूलॉजी. व्हॉट कॅन ही डू टुडे टू प्रिपेअर फॉर व्हॉट? आन्सर इज Kabir should study regularly and sincerely. He should read various books on animals. He should learn to speak in public by participating in elocutions competition. Also, he should do the project work given by the teacher and explain it in the class to his friends. By doing all these things, he will develop all the skills necessary for becoming a professor. Question number 2, use your brain power. A, what skills do we already have before we learn to ride bicycle? Answer is, before riding a bicycle we know to walk, run, jump, climb, skip and hop. Hence we are able to climb and sit on the bicycle and balance it by touching the ground with our legs. Then next, B, Suman wishes to run a restaurant of her own in the future. Which of the skills she is learning today will be of use in her future occupation? Answer is, the following skill mentioned below which she is learning today will be of help to Suman. The skill of cooking meals, writing down the recipe, keeping an account of the money spent, making the list of grocery item needed, serving food, packing food, cleaning the table, etc. are some of the few skills which will help her to run a restaurant in future. Question 3, answer the following questions. A, what is mean by heredity? Explain. Answer is, people of one family show similarities in physical characteristics in many ways. Some features of or traits are like our grandparents, some like our parents and some like our brothers and sisters. Being born with certain features or traits in common with the members of our family is called as heredity. B, what is the differences we see between the children in primary classes and children in standard? So answer is, primary children are not able to read and write. They cannot dress or their own. They cannot tie shoelaces, comb their hair, etc. Their development on their mother, teachers and ayah for everything. Whereas the standard child can read and write, dress on his own. He can do most of the routine work independently. C, what changes takes place in us from birth till adulthood? Then D, name any 3 skills you have acquired. Answer is, the skills that I have acquired are skipping, jumping, reading, writing, cycling, etc. E, what is mean by physical growth? Answer is, growing in height and weight from childhood to adulthood is called as physical growth. Question 4, true or false? State whether the following statements are true or false. A baby gradually learn to perform newly learned task without making mistakes. Answer आहे true. B, at birth we already learn all skills. Answer आहे false. C, we cannot manage all our tasks entirely by ourselves. Answer is true. D, our height manage all our tasks entirely by overseers. Answer is false. तर अशा प्रकारे इथे आपलं चॅप्टर नंबर 22 ग्रोथ अँड पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहे. सो थँक्यू सो मच. कीप वॉचिंग.